Hello, my name is Jack and welcome back to WatchPilot, the home of designer watches. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our very first Seiko watch on this channel, which is super exciting. It is the blue solar watch, which we have just here. But first, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and you would like to see more content like this in the future from us on our channel. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Seiko is a brand with over a century of history, too much in fact to actually discuss in this video, but here are a few facts from the brand's history, which I found rather interesting. So Seiko invented the world's first quartz watch, the Astron, and was named the official timekeeper for the 1964 Tokyo Summer Olympics. First impressions of the watch, it has a very funky and sporty style compared to most Seiko watches, and I believe this design is actually inspired by the 1966 Macchina Sportiva. May have pronounced that wrong, but I know it means sports car in Italian. Taking a closer look at the watch, we have a 41mm stainless steel case with a chronograph display. As you can see, there are blue and orange colours which highlight the dial, which gives it that bold statement to the timepiece. Also, the orange second hand gives it that extra pop of colour, which separates it from its contemporaries, and it's also powered by a quartz chronograph movement. There is also a tachymeter display around the edge of the dial, which a lot of sport watches tend to have. And for those that don't actually know, a tachymeter measures the time over distance, so you can calculate the speed that you travel at. This watch works by solar power, and the question is, how does this work? Well, a solar powered watch is actually powered by the sun and doesn't need a battery or wind-in, which makes your life 10 times easier. I don't know about you, but it definitely will help me out. This works from a solar cell behind the dial, which converts the sun's energy into electrical energy, which powers the watch. The energy is stored in a rechargeable battery, so it will still work overnight. Seiko have taken a different approach to the material used for the strap on this watch compared to other collections they have actually released. They are very well known for their stainless steel bracelet, but here we have a dark blue rubber strap with a detailed orange stitching, which gives it that contemporary look. Going back to the casing of the watch, despite the larger shoulders, this watch does fit my wrist perfectly. The build quality of this watch is typical Seiko. In other words, brilliant. It is fantastic value for money for a very well crafted watch, and it retails at £380, but available on watchpilot.co.uk for £329. Overall, this watch is a fantastic timepiece, and it's perfect for anyone that is looking for a more casual and sporty watch and can be worn on a day-to-day basis. For more watch reviews and tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.